Scandinavian design is one of the most mind-blowing and timelessly favorite decor approach or a set of interior organizing thumb rules, to be more specific. Featuring remarkable objectives like minimalism, useful functionality, and most importantly simplicity, Scandinavian design, pretty much like Feng Shui, focuses the most on wellness, positivity and convenience. It's one of the best approaches to stick to, simply want to bring about a healthy change in your surroundings. Besides, it's also the most effective idea of a practical decluttering and stuff organization. Moreover, the most incredible part of Scandinavian design style is that it does not allow the loss of beauty or visual attraction at any point, no matter how much simplicity or being basic is practiced. So are you ready to welcome the most delightful addition of airiness, brightness and all-natural beauty to your places? Watch this video as it contains all the essentials of Scandinavian interior design and how you can get your place one, without having to do too much. Yet the outcomes will be entirely pleasing. Let's get to knowing the mainstream components of Scandinavian interior design. Minimizing is a must. Scandinavian interior design is majorly about making the living spaces maximally spacious, essentially where it's easy, and delightful, to breathe and sense wellness. This does involve letting in plenty of natural light / getting enough artificial brightness, sticking to minimal furnishing and decor, ditching all the bulky stuff and most crucially the right kind of placement which does not make the space appear cluttered or visually blocked. Nature nurtures it all. Introducing natural decor, most importantly greenery and natural textures is one of the foremost aspects of Scandinavian interior design. Natural plantation, planters, vines, etc., is certainly the best idea to go for. Besides, if that seems too high maintenance or you want to achieve the purpose in a no-brainer and effortless way, then faux plantation is the way to go. The nifty neutrals. Another significant aspect of the Scandinavian interior styling is to maximize the usage of neutral, muted and precisely pastel color palette. The reason is super straightforward, i.e. these colors induce more roominess, visual interest and a sense of delightfulness to the interiors. Plus, such a color selection is also the most effective way of addressing spacing issues, in other words, making limited ones seem larger. However, do not forget to bring in the accurate pop of certain colors, so as to not end up with interiors giving off a whitewash effect. Careful contrasting. Contrasting the colors is always the most crucial part of any and every decor or designing school of thought, and the Scandinavian one isn't an exception, of course. Kind of like the previous aspect, i.e. the balancing of neutral through bolds, it's super necessary to ensure the color harmony for your living spaces. However, for preferring the Scandinavian approach, you can prioritize neutrals. Functionality first. Scandinavian design, fair enough, is all about creating spaces that are practically useful and long-term favorable. This does include efficient storage ideas, maximizing the floor space, ditching bulky furnishing, getting rid of useless stuff, and basically any and every modification done to make one's lifestyle simpler yet time-saving and convenient.